Today's another vocab video, and the word of the day is static, obviously in the context of programming. But yeah, static can be applied to classes, the functions, and the variables, and I want to explain them all right here. So here we go. Basically, what is a non-static class is a class that you can reference and use as a variable in other classes. So, for example, you can have a non-static class called ship, and then you can make multiple ships, make multiple variables called using the ship class, and give them different names and and change their attributes, use their functions, and it won't affect the other versions of the same class, basically. But if you create a static one, you only have the one class, so it works kind of differently, where you can just refer to the class name, and you can't make a version of the class, basically. So that's kind of the difference. Also, because all of the attributes, all of the variables, and all of the functions in the class are then also static. You can't have a static class with non-static variables or functions. However, on the other side, you can have a non-static class with static functions or static variables. So, for example, if you would create a non-static ship with a static attribute, then you could make two versions of that ship, ship A and ship B, and you could then change the different variables also of ship A. If you changed all the variables of ship A to give them, I don't know, whatever. All the variables of ship A are, for example, ints, and you give them all +1. Then all of the variables except the static one will only change for ship A, and the variables of ship B will remain the same. However, the static variable will change for both ships, so that's really interesting. You can do a lot of interesting things for that. But yeah, that's what static is.